왜 화끈해야 하는 건지 알랑가 몰라 왜 발끈해야 하는 건지 알랑가 몰라 아리까리하면 까리해 알랑가 몰라 We like party해 있잖아 마리아 이 사람으로 말씀드리자면 마리아 용기 패기 똘끼 멋쟁이 마리아 너가 듣고픈말 하고픈 게 난데 마리아 Damn girl you're so fucking sexy Vato gentleman Vato gentleman Vato gentleman
Panauhin lamang para sa lipad na ito, maaaring manatili sa loob ng eroplano.
May we request
Mobile Flight 5J902 bound for Manila. Information, our flight time is approximately 40 minutes. We'll be cruising at an altitude of 20,000 feet. The weather and route is forecasted to be fair. Weather reported at Manila is reported to be fair too. Information, we have been given a departure clearance time to depart Caticlan at 15 minutes past 02. Time check-in is 57 minutes past 01 in the afternoon. And we're expecting to push back and start our engines in about 2 minutes. And I'll get back to you with more information as this flight will proceed. For now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. And please keep your seatbelt fastened at all times for your own safety. Thank you very much.
Mohan, flying time will be approximately 45 minutes. Malugod po namin kayong binabati sa ating paglipad. Ang lipad na ito ay pinangungunahan ni Kapitan Lily sa tulong ni Unang Opisyal Mohan. Tayo po ay lilipad ng humigit kumulang 45 minuto.
when outside the aircraft. Pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation.
there's sometime traffic permitting at 5 minutes past 03. Time check it is 36 minutes past 02 in the afternoon, and we're expecting to arrive approximately 15 to 20 minutes ahead of our scheduled arrival in Manila, traffic permitting. Check, and the weather and Manila is reported to be fair with a ground temperature of 30 degrees Celsius, and on behalf of Cebu Pacific, and together with my captain and cabin crew, I'd like to thank you for flying with us, and we hope to get be of service in the future. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, bound for Manila, we have come to the most awaited part of every Cebu Pacific flight, which is the fun games. This is our way of thanking you for choosing to fly with Cebu Pacific. So our game for this month, it's called It's Christmas Time. Let's have a holiday trivia game this December. Our game is simple. We'll provide you with questions. All you have to do is raise your hand with the correct answer. First person to do so will win this prize, sponsored by Cebu Pacific. Kailangan nyo lamang hulaan ang tamang sagot sa aming tinutukoy upang makapag-uwi ng premyo mula sa Cebu Pacific. Okay, I guess my instructions are clear. Guys, bound for Manila, if you're ready, can you give me a thumbs up sign?
We're now on our final descent, and the captain has switched on the fasten seatbelt sign.
Cabin crew prepared for arrival.
At this time, make sure the window shades are up, tray tables are stowed, seat backs are in their upright position, and your seatbelts are securely fastened.
International Airport. We are now proceeding to Terminal 3 for proper and safe disembarkation. On behalf of your flight deck crew, headed by Captain Lily with First Officer Mohan, together with the rest of the crew, thank you for making Pacific your airline of choice. And ladies and gentlemen, we are pleased to announce that we have just landed 15 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. If you require assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have deplaned. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific, a member of Value Alliance. For passengers with onward connecting flights on Cebu Pacific or SEPGO, please proceed to the transfer desk located at the arrival hall. For assistance, please approach our ground personnel upon disembarkation.
If your cabin crew stand up momentarily to do a safety procedure, please remain seated.